How to fix MacBook Trackpad not responding. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to force restart and basic check. So, force restart your Mac, as sometimes a simple reboot clears temporary glitches, and once it's back, test the trackpad again, and if it is still frozen, then you can try to reset trackpad settings. So open System Settings on your Mac and scroll down on the sidebar and tap on the trackpad option. Now, try toggling options like tap to click or force click and haptic feedback off and then toggle it back on. Go to System Settings again and tap on Accessibility and then on Pointer Control option. You will see the trackpad options there. Tap on that and set it to Ignore built-in trackpad when mouse or wireless trackpad is present, and then to Off. Even if you are not using an external mouse, make sure to toggle this feature off. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to quit conflicting apps. Third-party apps like Better Touch Tool or gesture extensions can interfere, so make sure you are not using any conflicting apps. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then make sure you are using the latest version of Mac OS. So open System Settings and then tap on General and then on Software Update. Install any pending Mac OS updates. Apple often includes trackpad fixes in system patches. Also, if you are using a wireless trackpad, ensure Bluetooth is on and batteries are charged. For built-in trackpads on older MacBooks, an aging battery can swell and misalign the trackpad. And if your battery is set to service recommended in system settings, then that might be the issue. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then completely shut down your Mac and then power it on while holding the power button and select Options and run the diagnostic. And if none of these steps work, schedule an appointment at an Apple store or Apple authorized service provider to further fix your issue. So, this is how you can fix MacBook Trackpad not responding. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.